everywhere, it's embarrassing. You watch the whole time from the driver's seat, being mean to my mom when she asked me things. Make or break in my day off a text, it was me versus sanity. Stripped down to my breath and I jumped. Water lit me up like goosebumps. Swam to my hands, had no meaning. Then waited on your text to fuck me up.